Name is Tawhidur Rahman Shobo. I'm a student of Daffodil International University at Software Engineering Department. My ID is 024 5341063. As a student of software engineering, access to a personal laptop is essential for my academic progress and professional development. My coursework requires continuous practice in programming, software design, software development, database management, system analysis, and project implementation. A personal laptop will enable me to complete assignment efficiently, participate in online classes and virtual labs, and engage in research and development activities. Moreover, I am committed to enhancing my technical competencies in areas such as full stack development, problem solving, software testing, software development, areas such as full stack development, and emerging technologies. Having a dedicated laptop will allow me to pa- practice consistently, contribute effectively to team project, and prepare. Thank you. Thank you for cooperating.